Let's see what we can make with this piece of Buckeye.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about. Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Wolfridge Woodworking. So we've got a piece of Buckeye wood here that is about 5 inches round and it is about 3 inches deep. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a bowl out of this today. So let's get started. Okay, that does it for the outside of the bowl. So we've got our shine on there. We went with the doctor's polish. So now let's get this mounted and reversed into the chuck. Alrighty, and we're going to turn the inside, and I am going to try to use my bowl gouge as much as I can. So let's get going. that was a lot of fun. And the more I got into this, the more I realized it has some really nice spalting. I've turned a couple of these, and they've been kind of plain. The wood is not very featured, but it does have a nice spalting. And I'll take some stills at the end, and hopefully you can see a little bit better. So this is probably one of the nicer pieces. Not exactly the shape I was going for, but you know, with these smaller pieces, it's harder, at least for me, to get the shape that I want, because I don't want to take away the volume inside the bowl. I don't know if any of you guys have that experience. Maybe leave a comment down below if it's something that you struggle with, or maybe you've got some suggestions on, or do you just not worry about it? Just drop some comments below. But anyway, it turned out really nicely. I was able to use a lot of my traditional turning tools. I did have to revert back to the Easywood Tools round carbide cutter just to get that shape. I struggle when it gets down to the bottom of the bowl of making that transition with the bowl gouge, but it's going to take time with some practice. But I've got plenty of wood and plenty of time to make that happen. But anyway, so that's going to wrap up today's project. I appreciate you watching, and if this is something that you enjoyed, please click here to see other videos. And if you're not a subscriber, I encourage you to click up here to become a subscriber. Click that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. And as always, thank you and have a blessed day.